This is the Sketch Bundle from Rocketbook, where imagination meets innovation. The Sketch Bundle is a special pack designed to create art anywhere, save it forever, and then do it all over again. Each bundle contains a Rocketbook Flip notebook with blank white pages and a 10-pack of Pilot FriXion Color Sticks. Color Sticks' vibrant ink bonds to the page in seconds, but with a little water wipes away like magic. So you can create your finest masterpiece and then create 1,000 more. The top turn binding maximizes the angle of hand drawing, which complements both righty and lefty creators. And here's the best part. Before your Van Gogh is Van Gone forever, you can use the Rocketbook app to instantly save it in the cloud, send it to someone special, or share it on social media. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision auto-crops and color pops your drawing in vivid detail, then blasts it online to integrated cloud services. The app can even turn a set of scans into an animated GIF. It's the state-of-the-art for the analog artist, and a creative space with infinite possibilities. This is the Sketch Bundle from Rocketbook.